using Django, uh, the FTP file system we want to trying to show up on Django browser side, how we can interact to the FTP client. As usually, based on the file system, we are showcase the documentations based on the category. The variety of suppose the operating system wise, we want to read the PDF document. It is required for the specific software to read the particular extension data type. As usually MP4 in the Windows, when suppose we are taking lots of media players support to play the media content. Generally, JPG also it's required for the required software to show the images. How we can get the easy for using FTP client. The FTP client, what it currently is showing. Suppose what are the where the FTP client. I'm calling a FTP client, FTP server. It's get back the result as a desktop. The what are the information is the folder and file system. Mm, Files, the totally two folders, image and then one more folder. As usually, the documents related category. Here, three categories of document types is available. One is category they belong to the PDF and MP4 content, usually JPG. What we can do here for the Django side, generally we are following for the RDBMS related data model. This use case is helpful. Suppose I have a hard disk having a 1 TB or 2 TB size capability. As for my past period of time, I have collected the lots of movie collections and lots of study materials, lots of photo pictures belonging to me. I want to every time without requirement of uh, generally this content generally it's required every time I want to see some of the study material. I want to see some of the photos, means study certificate photos or something else required to read some spatial related data is available. We want to see those information. Other requirements is there. What we can get benefit from here. The FTP is file system. Suppose we want to project on Django side, what was the advantage? We have the video content. Suppose the video previously we discussed the video having the large size. In size wise, as usually the time the FTP, it is a length of the video. Based on these two factors, the player will be take a time to load the video content. We can avoid from backend side we have chunks to send to the client, and we rearranging onto the on client side playing the video. We are reducing the burden. Similarly, the PDF files also we are showing on the browser, and images also we are previously I showcasing only the media file, as usual PDF. Now I am trying to show the image also based on the suppose the media is related to the MP4. It is getting one playlist. The all file formats regarding extension MP4 the getting added into the playlist. Similarly, the PDF extension added into the particular folder. It is showcasing into the software, means that it is added on into the playlist. Similarly, file extension JPG they added into the playlist. Here, page is added automatically in the root directory. It's taking as a desktop. Suppose I want to see internally again subfolder information it is getting. What are the information regarding that feature? The document information is get back here. See here, going to the parent. Here, the parent directory previously the FTP client is written back the information. I want to the file says FTP is okay. Suppose we want to read the FTP content. Suppose document is available. We need to download first. Then we need to open on into the required software. The media also is like that, but it is unnecessarily we take the particular file and we are again download it and we are see just like operating system the file system everything is available on our computer based on the software support we are opening avoiding this thing the all file system content is available in somewhere else we are accessing heterogeneous device heterogeneous operating systems heterogeneous platform for processors suppose I'm using the laptop as a Windows operating system, some other operating system Linux. The universal the protocol it is support for the HTTP. When I am calling the FTP client, the files will be exchanging on the API calls, get back the result and showing back to me. Suppose I have on the phone, I'm connected my phone to the this API, this Django. Just get back the result. The video file is there. Previously, I discussed the video file. Suppose I'm trying to play the video content.
పొగ త్రాగుట, మద్యం సేవించుట ఆరోగ్యానికి హానికరం.
Suppose I think network is taking someone. Okay, network is fine. Is connected.
Smoking and drinking is injurious to health.
Some other frame I am clicking here.
Hello,
So automatically
Dr.
the
Ravi
video
here.
is
Uh,
the
you,
play without buffering. That that we can observe here. Similarly, the PDF file also is get backing the total the PDF content information. I'm selected some other file. So automatically the required document study material is get backing here. Up to this one already we discuss. But one more file system I added. This one is image. Suppose image content is there, but based on the image tag, we are trying to showcase the thing. How previous case is functioning. The data is based on the RDBMS, the plan. Everything we can manage for the based on the design of RDBMS, based on the table related content the get back fetching the sources of emails and we are projecting but here this approach is totally different based on without RDBMS about the file system related we are back inside the FTP file system the file sharing is I'm not implemented only FTP the FTP to communicate my Django application get back the without refreshing the every time we need to single page on itself we able to see all the file contents go back to the parent without knowing user feel that we are moving some other place every time it's loading the disturbance we can avoid using the API communication lots of frameworks also is available the Angular React.js very popular in the frameworks using those frameworks we can arrange thing in better way but this one is limited. I'm trying to show basic level of coding. I'm clicking some other document. Yes, see the playlist content, playlist content. It is getting the based on the extension detail is get back. Suppose I'm refreshing again. Based on the network backend server based on the design of code, the performance will be depend. See, I'm clicking some one more document. Document is get back here. This way we can show from the files regarding JPEG, JPG and PDF files. Usually, uh, PDF files. I'm saying, see the placement in the playlist is changing to some other book. Is requesting into the server. The server is get back the result. It is showing what we can uh, uh, this way of approach, repetition of our collection without wasting of rapidly downloading, reutilizing our existing resources of hard disk information. This way we can project in the various file types, various libraries about we need to take on Django side, and we are showing here. Here Django I'm using as a the file system, generally FTP, the parent folder and sub files. Suppose we are get back to the change for the backward folder on FTP. We call as a backend a hyperlink. Generally, the folder we need to move forward, and files it's not required. Using file format, we need to use some other library support. Library support. So take and we can see. Suppose the document is available. Suppose I want to now my phone is required for this document. Such a way that this way of the use case for Django and FTP client communication and showing the FTP file system. Fine, I'm giving conclusion.